Hello student, today we are discuss about remaining part of the determinant and matrices topic. The point is application of determinant. First point is Cramer's rule. The Cramer's rule is already studied in 10th standard. So in 10th standard the variable using only two variables, and this point the variable use three variables. Okay, so the in Cramer's rule use three variables. Theorem statement: consider the three linear equation in variables 3 x, y, z. The equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1. Next, a2x b2y plus c2z equal to d2. a3x b3y c3z equal to d3. Here ai, bi, ci and di are constant. Okay, so in this point the solution of the system of equation is x equals to dx upon d, y equals to dy upon d, z equals to dz upon d, and d not equal to 0. Okay, so in this step x equals to dx by d, y equal to dy by d, z equal to dz by d, and capital D not equal to 0. So the d equals to value, d equals to determinant, d equals to 3 by 3 determinant. Which value we included? D equals to, so the right here a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. Okay, d equals to this determinant. And next, dx equals to value, so dx equals to, so the first column right here dx असेल तर नेक्स्ट डायरेक्ट कोणती टर्म इथे घेणार आहे आपण d1 d2 d3 and then b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. dx equals to, similarly dy equals to y असेल तर फर्स्ट टर्म a1, फर्स्ट column a1 a2 a3, then next d1 d2 d3 and remain c1 c2 c3. Okay, similar way first dy equals a1 a2 a3, y संदर्भात लिहितो. नेक्स्ट d1 d2 d3 and c1 c2 c3, dx dy, and last one is dz. dz equals to determinant, dz असेल तर a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3, right here a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 and last one b1 b2 b3. Okay, these are the four forms. d equals to a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. Similarly dx equals to, okay, this way determinant dy equals to, and last one dz equals to. Okay, so the in this point remark is, if d equal to 0, then there is a no unique solution for the given system of equation. Okay, the next example is question is solve the following linear equation by using Cramer's rule. Example is x plus y plus z equal to 6, comma, second equation x minus y plus z equal to 2, third equation equation is these three equation write as it is. Okay, x plus y plus z equal to 6, next x minus y plus z equal to 2 and x plus 2y minus z equals to value 2. Okay, the given equation is right first and therefore t equals to form. Which form? a1 b1 c1 value here, a1 b1 c1 value, x is a coefficient 1, y is a coefficient 1, z is a coefficient 1, x coefficient 1, y coefficient minus 1, z is a coefficient 1, x is a 1, y is a 2, z is a minus 1, and the value d1, d2, d3, 6 to 2. Okay, the d equals to form a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 and c3. So right here d equals to value 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 2 minus 1. These are the 3 by order 3 by 3 determinant. Solve the form of 3 determinant 3 by 3 order determinant equals to 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1, this term minus 1. Okay, next 1 into calculation directly राहते याप्रमाणे किंवा नेक्स्ट काय होणार आहे 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1, next plus 1 next 1 into 2 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so the next step is 1 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 2 minus 2 plus 1 right here 3. Next calculation 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 2 plus 3. Next step equals to 3 plus 2 5 5 minus 1 4 4 not equal to 0. D equals to value d equals to 4 not equal to 0. d equals to value आपल्याला इथे मिळालेली आहे d equals to value किती 4. Okay, similarly find out dx equals to which value? So dx equals to form d1 d2 d3 and next dx d1 d2 d3 c1 c2 c3. Similarly write here the values. First d1 d2 6 2 2. Next value is d1 1 minus 1 2 and 1 1 minus 1. These are the value of the dx. Okay, similarly calculation order 3 by 3. Solve the determinant 3 by 3 calculation and the value of dx is equals to 6 into in bracket minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, next again this plus 1 right here into 2 into 2 4 ॲडिशन करायची दोन टर्मची मायनस मायनस साइन आहे प्लस 1 मायनस मायनस प्लस 4 प्लस 2 6 then calculation minus 6 plus 4 plus 6 then again next value equal to 4 dx equals to value so dx equals to value 4 next dy equals to d equals to 4 value dx equals to 4 so the next point is dx नंतर dy equals to determinant dy equals to okay see here dy equals to value काय असणार dy equals to first 1 1 1 next 6 2 2 and last column is 1 1 minus 1 okay dy equals to term 1 1 1 first column second column 6 2 2 and next to 1 1 minus 1 the calculation is solve the 3 by 3 determinant 1 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 into minus 6 into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 again plus 1 and again this 1 plus 1 deleting again column 2 minus 2 the calculation is 1 minus 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 0 get 0 next calculation is minus 4 minus minus plus 6 into 2 12 minus 4 plus 12 equal to 8 so the dy equals to value 8 dy equals to value 8 the next calculation is dy last one is which dz equals to determinant which determinant 3 by 3 determinant which term first coefficients x y 1 1 1 1 minus 1 2 and last 6 2 2 okay the first column is 1 1 1 next 1 minus 1 2 last one is 6 2 2 this is the 3 by 3 determinant solve equals to next 1 into minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus negative 2 into 2 4 okay next minus 1 into 2 minus 2 into minus 2 and last one plus 6 into 2 minus 1 the calculation is 1 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 0 plus 6 into minus minus plus 2 plus 1 3 and next calculation minus 6 minus 0 1 into 0 get 0 and plus 6 into 3 18 the calculation is minus 6 plus 18 12 next dz equals to value 12 so see here these three equations so these three equation use d equals to general form and these are the coefficients of the variable x y z and these are the constant so the d equals to value determinant then solve d equals to value 4 not equal to 0 similarly dx equal to dx equal to this type of the determinant. So write the value and calculation. Dx equal to value 4. Similarly dy equal to 8 and dz equal to value 12. In this example, find out the values of the variables. Which variable? X, y and z. So the x equals to formula, therefore by Cramer's rule. Therefore by Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule, x equals to dx upon d. X equals to dx upon d. Dx की value 4 and d की value 4 upon 4 equals to value 1. Similarly, y equals to dy upon d. dy upon d. dy upon d. dy की value 8. 8 by 4 equals to value 2 and z. dz upon d equals to dz upon d equals to dz की value 12. d की value 4 equals to value 3. So the final answer is x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to 3. Therefore x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to 3 are the required solution. Okay, these are the examples. These examples asked in exam 3 or 4 marks. Okay. Similarly, remaining example exercise solve properly. Okay, carried out, ask me. So the next example is next example is minus 2 upon x minus 1 upon y minus 3 upon z equal to 3, comma next equation 2 upon x minus 3 upon y plus 1 upon z equals to minus 13 and 2 upon x minus 3 upon z equals to minus 11. In this equation y variable is absent, means y equals to value coefficient मेन्शन किती करणार आहे आपण इक्वेशन मध्ये? इक्वेशन इथं व्हॅल्यू त्याची काय मेन्शन करणार आहे 0. ओके, तो सिमिलर वे सॉल्व एग्जांपल. ओके, write 3 equation as it is. Okay, so the put 1 upon x equals to p, 1 upon 1 equals to q and 1 upon z equals to value r. Okay, and these three equations, right, put value 1 upon x equals to p. So the in this equation minus 2p minus q minus 3r equals to value 3. Similar way minus plus 2p minus 3q plus r equals to value minus 13 and last one is 2p minus q की term of same time take as well 0 into q means total term 0. Okay, plus r की value minus 3r equals to value minus 11. These are these three equations. So these equations convert into three variables and upon d. Q equals to form d q upon d, and r equals to d r upon d. Okay, dp equals to determinant, dq equals to determinant, dr equals to determinant. So the similar way, find out the value of d, dp, dq, dr, and by Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule, p equals to dp upon d, dq upon d, r equals to dr upon d, and get last one. Put 1 upon x equals to p. Put p equals to value 1 upon x. Similar, q equals to value 1 upon y, and r equals to 1 upon z, and get the final answer. Okay, so this way you try to solve example this and complete the example. Okay, so the next example is word problem. The next word problem: the sum of three numbers is 15. If the second number is subtracted from the sum of first and third number, then we get 5. When the third number is subtracted from the sum of twice the first number and the second number, we get 4. Find three numbers. Okay, so the first here this word problem already word मध्ये दिलेलं जे इक्वेशन आहे आपल्याला सेंटेन्स आहे त्याचं कन्वर्शन आपल्याला कशामध्ये करायचं आहे, इक्वेशन मध्ये करायचं आहे, आणि ती इक्वेशन बाय युजिंग क्रॅमर्स रूल आपल्याला सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट दिलेलं सेंटेन्स पासून ॲक्युरेट इक्वेशन क्रिएट करणं आणि त्यानंतर बाय युजिंग क्रॅमर्स रूल सॉल्व्ह करणे. ओके, सो द रीड केअरफुली द सेंटेन्सेस. ओके, the sum of three numbers. Okay, here let the three numbers in answer, let the three numbers be x, y and z. Okay, x, y and z. Then from the given condition, okay, in this example three numbers कोणते x, y, z. okay, एक word problem मध्ये लक्ष द्या. Understand the main thing. In word problem, the word we get means use equal sign. Use equal sign. We get शुद्ध आल्यानंतर इक्वल टू साइन करायचा आहे, किंवा इज नंतर आपण काय करतो इक्वल टू साइन वाक्यामध्ये यूज करणार आहे. ओके, सो द सम ऑफ थ्री नंबर्स, थ्री नंबरची सम ऑफ थ्री नंबर्स इज 15. द फर्स्ट कंडिशन इज x plus y plus z equal to is किती आहे 15. ओके, फर्स्ट कंडिशन क्रिएट करा. सेकंड वाला इफ द सेकंड नंबर कोणता आहे आपला, सेकंड नंबर इज y. ओके, इफ द सेकंड नंबर इज सबट्रॅक्ट, सेकंड नंबर काय केलेला आहे सबट्रॅक्ट. कशामधून सबट्रॅक्ट फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ, सम कशाची केलेली आहे बघा फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड नंबर. read sentence carefully. If the second number is subtract from the sum of first and third number, means first and third number कोणता x plus z, and subtract कोणता केला second number minus y, then we get 5. okay, next condition, when the third number Z. Third number Z is subtract from the sum of twice the first number and the second number. थर्ड नंबर आहे तो काय केलेला आहे सबट्रॅक्ट केलेला आहे कशामधून फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ ट्वाइस द फर्स्ट नंबर कोणता आहे आपला x तो कसा घेतलेला आहे ट्वाइस द फर्स्ट सम घेतलेला आहे सम कशाचे आहे बघा ट्वाइस द फर्स्ट नंबर अँड द सेकंड नंबर ट्वाइस द फर्स्ट नंबर अँड सेकंड नंबर थर्ड नंबर हा सबट्रॅक्ट केलेला आहे म्हणजे मायनस z आणि नंबर and the second number we get किती आहे व्हॅल्यू 4. these are the equation number 1 2 3. first equation is x plus y plus z equals to 15. second x plus z minus y equal to 5 and last one is 2x plus y minus z equals to 4. this equation that is equation x minus y plus z equal to 5 and first and third already formed that is 2x plus y minus z equal to value 4. In word problem very important thing these are the create the equation carefully create this equation properly so the remaining part is same already solved in first example. So these are the three equations. Okay, first, second and third. x y z 15 5 4 these are the constant d1 d2 d3. So in this equation which term must solve? First create d equals to value next dx equals to determinant then solve d equals to value only d not equal to 0. Similar way dx find out. Okay, similar way dy find out. Okay, dz equals to okay d dx dy dz. Next by Cramer's rule x equals to dx by d y equals to dy by d z equals to dz by d. Same thing. Okay, and the final answer is x equals to y equals to z equals to. These are the required numbers x y z. Okay, these are the required numbers. So understand this example. Okay, so the word problem read carefully. Sentence convert into equations. Okay, three numbers denoted x y z कंडिशन इक्वेशन बरोबर फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड क्रिएट केलेला आहे याच्यावर आपण d इक्वल टू फॉर्म माहिती आहे तुम्हाला त्यानंतर लिहिणार आहे त्या सिमिलर वे dx dy dz फाइंड आउट करणार आहात या आलेल्या व्हॅल्यू याच्यामध्ये कुठं अँड गेट द फायनल आन्सर x y z इक्वल टू 12. ओके, understood these all points. Okay, so in the book exercise 4.3 question number 1 and 2 complete properly. Any doubt ask me. In 4.3 exercise remaining question number 3 4 5 6 7 up to 8 these questions are deleted. Okay, exercise 4.3 only first and second question is compulsory. Okay, thank you.